Welcome back to the homestead. So you'll see behind me one of the first things that I bought when I came down here was a tractor. Hopefully you watched that video when I received the tractor. But today I purchased some implements. I got a disc plow and a brush hog. So I wanted to show you some problems that I'm running into with my brush hog, something that you might run into. Now, I'm not a tractor expert. As a matter of fact, I'm not an expert at anything. But if you're homesteading, you'll find that you got to do a lot of stuff yourself. And with the help of YouTube videos like this one and the one that I watched, you'll find out what my problem is. Ladies and gentlemen, I've got frozen balls. Yeah. Apparently, in the tractor world, that's what you call it when your ball bearings freeze up, either with ice or rust. So being that that implement is old and has been sitting out in the winter all year, it has frozen balls. So let me take you over there and show you the problems that I had and what I'm doing to try to fix it, and something that I learned as well. Alright folks, I'm kind of crunched down back here behind the tractor because it's a super windy day. But this is your PTO shaft. It hooks up to your PTO spline right there on the back of your tractor that spins the blade in here. Now that's pretty basic information. When I bought this and I tried to hook it up, this shaft has to move in and out. So you can see, slides in and out like that, right there. Well, the problem was it wouldn't move when I first got it because it was just rusted shut. So I hooked up a chain to this, to the tractor, pulled it, it came off like butter. I put some lube on it. That was the first problem. So my adjustable shaft was non-adjustable. So shaft problems and ball problems, everything a country boy needs. So now the second issue is there are three types of these units to connect to the PTO shaft. Now, one is a simple one. You can't see it here, but it's basically just has a rod that you push in that releases a notch or a ball bearing. See if you can see it right there in the middle. There's that notch down there. You can barely see it shining in this column right here. So one of them slides down. So you got the push button one, push a rod and it moves that out of the way, pulls it out. The other one slides down and it pulls it out of the way. The one that I have is a twisty. So this thing has the twist, but because I have frozen balls, it's not twisting. So I have to drench it with penetrating oil and use a ball peen hammer to knock it around a little bit. So I got this stuff called liquid wrench penetrating oil, and we're gonna put it on there and see if we can't penetrate the balls, get this thing freed up, and I can give my brush hog a try. Well, that's just some real simple basic stuff, just the homestead lifestyle, I guess. And you gotta, sometimes you just gotta figure it out on your own. But thanks to other YouTube videos and this YouTube video, if you know nothing about tractors and PTO shafts, now you know. Okay folks, so this is implement number 2 that I bought. This is a disc plow, and I got it all hooked up with no problemos. But unfortunately, due to my lack of experience, this is not doing as I expected it to do. So those, I believe, are 16-inch discs, maybe 14s, but I'm thinking they're 16-inch discs. These things should be able to move some dirt. Let me take you out to the field and show you what it did. Alright folks, this is it. Can't see what it did? Yeah, there it is. Looks like the Nazca lines of Mexico, basically. Well, it just barely put some lines in it. The only thing it's turning over is the cow patties. But it just got lines. I need this soil to be turned over. I need this grass to disappear. So I don't know if I got the wrong implement for the job or if I'm just not doing something right with my tractor. I mean, this is pretty lame sauce, if you ask me. Any advice or tips, feel free to comment. Okay, so this is the garden area with the nice soft dirt. Now I thought, okay, maybe that dirt out there is pretty hard, pretty solid. I'll come over to my garden area. Now it did slightly better, but still not that impressive. So this area here is plowed, not plowed, plowed. You can see how it looks over here. Did okay right here, but this is really soft dirt, like really muddy, almost soft. Well, not what I was expecting for my first day with my new implements, but I don't know, we'll figure it out. Thanks for watching.